Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make dashi with Hondashi. Making delicious dashi is incredibly simple using Hondashi granules, a fantastic shortcut for authentic Japanese flavor. You'll only need a few basic items: some water, your Hondashi, and a small pot. This easy guide will help you create a flavorful base for many dishes in just a few minutes, perfect for anyone new to Japanese cooking or looking for a quick solution. Let's get started with the preparation. First, carefully measure 2 cups of water and pour it into your small pot. Next, add 1 level teaspoon of Hondashi granules to the water. It's important to get the ratio right for the best flavor. Now, take a spoon and gently stir the mixture. Continue stirring until you see that all the Hondashi granules have completely dissolved, ensuring an even distribution of flavor throughout your dashi. Now it's time to heat our dashi. Place your pot over medium heat. Watch it carefully, as you want the mixture to reach a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil. Boiling dashi too vigorously can actually diminish its subtle, umami-rich flavor, so a gentle simmer is key. As soon as you see those small bubbles forming around the edges and a light simmer begins, remove the pot from the heat immediately. This preserves the delicate essence of your dashi. Your fresh dashi is now ready to use. For the absolute best flavor, I recommend using it right away in your favorite recipes. Dashi is the foundational broth for so many Japanese dishes, like comforting miso soup or delicious noodle broths. If you happen to have any leftover, simply store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will keep well for up to 3 days, ready for your next culinary creation. Enjoy your homemade dashi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.